Hey, now!
Follow us! Guys, the cops! Yo, give me back my truck! They stole my truck! And the cops are coming, they're coming to save you. Over here! Guys! Alright guys, what is up? I'm currently with William. Say what's up, guys, and my buddies.
What's up?
Guys, we're on a mission right now because Ollie just called us and we're currently tracking her. She's lost, and she says that there's some clowns harassing her and we're looking for her in the area. Oh my god! Oh my god!
Oh my god!
Oh my god!
Oh my god!
She's here!
Oh my god! Hey, now! Hey, now! Oh my god!
Get up! Get up! Oh, are you okay?
What took you so long?
We found you. Why you guys have her? Let her go. Fine. Listen, who was the one I talked to?
Okay, how did this happen?
Yeah, I talked to you. Okay. What do you want? That truck? You cannot have that truck. You'll never have that truck. Because that's my truck. Because I'm Heynelm. Now listen to me. Give us her. And we'll give you whatever you want. Just not the truck. Fine. Take
What?
my belly. No, not my belly. Not my belly. You can't take it. Right, listen. Wait. Try talking.
Hey, what's up, man? Listen, so I actually heard that if you jump.
Shut up!
Get fine.
Listen. Why did you pick her? What does she have that you like?
You know how this is solved? My belly's recording
Wait,
this.
I have a...
Do you know how this is solved?
Look.
Fighting. You get that one, I'll
I'm
get
the
this
best
one.
fighter in the planet, man.
I think they want my hair.
Fight, come on! Hit him!
William!
Oh no!
Wait, now do that to me. Hey. Okay. All right. Hey, we're friends.
What the hell?
What the heck? What are you doing?
Listen.
Hey, no!
Hey! Guys, close the door! No!
Nobody's getting in here.
Hey, listen. No, they can't take
They
it.
can't take it.
Can't take it.
Why? It's just a car, Heynelm.
It's not just a car. I'm not moving. It's not happening.
It's just a car with beautiful lights in the roof.
What is he doing?
Grab them! Come on!
Oh my god, they went in! No!
William! Come on! Help me get him out!
Now. You can't.
Oh no! He threw him in there!
What are you doing?
Grab him! Where's the other one?
Hey, no, he's in your car!
He's in there.
Where's the other one?
Hey, no, he's in your car!
Get him out! William, get him
Oh
out!
my god, your wallet.
He got my wallet! Tie this one to the truck! Tie this one to the trailer right here!
Okay, give me.
Tie him up!
Go take care of the other one.
Come on, my
Come on,
buddy!
hey, now! You got this!
You little... Oh my god! Come on!
Oh my god, hey, no!
What the hell? How did you guys get tied up? You morons!
Oh my god.
No! My most prized possession! They're taking it!
Hey, no, get on it! Get on the back of your car! You can't let them take it!
No way! Fine! It's my truck now! Take it! You stupid clowns!
Do they even know how to drive? What if they crash it?
Guys!
And they tie them, they know!
Come on, at least we need to get on the truck! Oh, untie them! Get out! Come on! Come on, buddy!
Hey, no, I can't run that fast! I can't run that fast like
Took
you.
it, my bellies, they took it.
What are we gonna do? You know that's your baby.
Guys.
He loves it. Listen, you're gonna be okay, alright? Just calm down. Listen, he beat me up, man.
You had one job.
I know, but he punched me.
I didn't even know. They took my truck. What do I tell the How do I tell the insurance now?
Listen,
Two
you
clowns.
Yeah, you have video evidence.
True. That's true.
Wait, I think they're coming back. Is that your car? That's Heynelm's car, right? They're coming
Guys,
back.
you know my truck's lights. I think they're coming back.
I think they are.
They're stopping. They're stopping. Oh my god.
Car.
Here, my buddies. Here, come on.
Hey, now!
The camera.
Here!
The camera.
Here!
Guys, I'm in my truck. Just follow us. Guys, I'm in my trucks. The clowns. Guys, the clowns. Yo, give me back my truck. You guys have my freaking truck. They stole my truck. They're not gonna give me anything? Alright, I guess I'm gonna have to follow them until this truck freaking stops. The police are on their way, alright? The police are on their way.
Oh, the cops!
The cops!
I see them!
Oh my god, guys, the cops are coming! Right here! Alright, guys, the cops are coming. They're coming to save you. Over here. Guys, like, share, and subscribe. Subscribe to my channel, Heynelm. Follow me on Instagram if you want to win a scooter giveaway. And I'll be picking out a winner and shipping the scooter out. Stop the truck! The cops are here. You guys need to get out. They're coming for you, alright? Yeah, they're coming. Guys, they're literally stopping. 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 They're running away. They're literally running away. They're literally running away. Oh my god. Oh, I got my truck back. I got my truck back. Oh my god, guys. You're not gonna believe this. Edgar, William, and you're not gonna believe this. Guys, this is crazy right now. I got my freaking truck back. Oh my god, thank you. Oh my god, the cops are here. Guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on my Instagram and follow me on my YouTube. Subscribe to the channel and turn on post notification. Also, if you want to win this scooter right here, follow me on Instagram. And after you subscribe to my channel and turn on post bell notifications, also follow me on Instagram. Send me a text message saying done, and you'll be submitted in the giveaway. I'll be sending out the scooter to someone. Peace out, guys. Bye. I love you.